In our previous video, we discussed pyramid schemes and the lies associated with making money online. In today's video, we shall discuss how to make legit money, real money, and how to start your online business. Make sure you watch till the end for the bonus tip because I will share with you how I make money online. To make money online, all you need is a computer or phone with internet access and your skills. Everyone has that one skill that other people don't have. You can monetize and scale it up, and the internet has made it very easy for you to reach millions of people. In this video, I'm going to show 10 ways in which you can actually make some cash, or if you are serious enough, good money. Isn't that amazing? You can actually make as much as $100 a day or even more, and the best part is you don't have to quit your 8-to-5 job. You can make this money during your free time. On the internet, there are two distinct ways of making money: passive and active income. With active income, it's like your 8-to-5 jobs. You only get paid for the work you do. If you do not work, you don't make money. With the passive income, all you do is put in the work once and the money should keep rolling in without having to do any more work. Topping our list is Upwork. This is a website for freelancers. With Upwork, you make active income. Businesses and individuals post services on Upwork that they would like to outsource, such as and not limited to article writing, video editing, app development, coding, and many more. There are many jobs and services being outsourced on Upwork. The good thing about this is its low barriers of entry. If you are good at something, maybe graphic design, coding, or just about any skill, head over to Upwork and start making some money. Here's a tip though: if you're considering working on Upwork, have a robust profile that looks good. This will drastically increase your likelihood of ever receiving job offers from potential clients. Display your best work or highlighting specific experiences will help you stand out. Number 2 is YouTube. This is another channel where you can make as much money online as you want. The good thing is it's a passive income, meaning a few videos should keep making you money consistently. You should meet some YouTube rules if you are starting a brand new channel from scratch to get monetized. You should reach the YouTube minimum threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. As long as you keep uploading long enough videos with good content that people are willing to watch, expect to make more money. You can make anywhere from $1 to thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. With paid sponsorship, you can make more money, but with this, you'll need a large audience, usually a minimum of 10,000 subscribers to do that. You can also make money through affiliate. Number 3 is Amazon. Amazon is not just a site for buying your favorite items only. You can actually make money with it. Here are 3 ways how you can make money with Amazon. Amazon MTech. MTech is kind of Upwork. It's a place where businesses outsource work that is too difficult for computer programs to do. Such tasks include video editing and transcribing, translating audio and video from different languages, testing web pages, and writing reviews, and many more. You can make as much as $20 or $30 an hour by working on a few different tasks. This is a legit way of making money, and they do pay, though this is active income. Unfortunately, this is not available in many countries, especially in Africa. Head over to their website to check if Amazon MTech is available in your country. Amazon Kindle Publishing. Amazon Kindle Publishing is where you turn your ideas into an ebook or a PDF. Every time you buy an ebook from Amazon, the publisher and Amazon make money, and you can make money too. The thing with Kindle Publishing is that you first need a book to sell. You can either write this book yourself or you can hire someone to write it. You don't have to be an established author. You can hire somebody else to do that work for you, and then you can post your book on Amazon Kindle. You can actually do this from the comfort of your home and start earning some passive income. The best thing with it is that it's absolutely free, and all you need is just to sign up and start making some money. Amazon takes care of the money handling shenanigans. Some people make over $100,000 publishing Kindle ebooks on Amazon. It's definitely a market to look into. The other one is Amazon Associates Program. This is a very popular and easy way of earning passive income. All you do is sign up to the Amazon Associates Program, which is free. Then you can pick from thousands of stuff Amazon sells on their website and start promoting, either on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook page, or on your website. Amazon will give you a special link, and every time someone buys through your link, Amazon will give you a commission anywhere from 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after a purchase, and you can choose to be paid either through Amazon gift cards or transfer to a bank account, although this is currently only available in the US. But if you live outside America, you can be paid via check, or you can have the money transferred to your Amazon account and start buying stuff with it. Number 4 on our list is Clickbank. This is a marketplace for product creators and affiliates to make money online by selling their courses or services to the world. Clickbank only sells digital products, but the best thing about it is that the commission payout is so much higher than that of Amazon. Some affiliates pay you as much as 75% for selling their services, while others pay as low as 5%, so keep that in mind. You can make some really good money on this platform, hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Simply head over to Clickbank, pick something to sell, and start making money. Clickbank is only available in select countries, so I'm not sure if it's available in your country. Head over to their website and check if it's available in your country. Number 5 is Flippa.com. Flippa is the number 1 marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. It attracts a huge audience and it offers great tools to increase visibility. It's an auction site, really much like eBay, for those selling and buying digital assets such as websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, Amazon FBA accounts, and many more. If you are good at making apps or even websites, you can actually sell it online and make some money. Or better yet, if you have some money lying around and you are interested in buying either websites, apps, or e-commerce stores that are already making money, you can do so with Flippa. What happens is you place a bid much like eBay, and if your bid is the highest, then the better, because you just bought yourself an online business. You can also make money by selling online businesses. That is, you create a business online, let's say a website that is making money, and then later on sell it on Flippa. Number 6 is Shutterstock. This is a platform where you can buy or sell digital media such as pictures, music, video clips, and many more. They are mainly created by freelancers and third parties, so if you may be particularly good at photography, taking amazing pictures, and excellent at making sick beats, you can monetize your talents on Shutterstock. The way you make money with Shutterstock is that every time someone purchases one of your pictures, you get paid a commission, usually a couple of cents to a few dollars if you are lucky. The trick to making a lot of money with the Shutterstock is to consistently keep uploading high quality images. Number 7 on our list is Skillshare. As the name suggests, these are sites to share your skills and get paid. Let's say you are good in graphic design, Photoshop, video editing, cooking, name it. You can monetize your skills by heading over to Skillshare, creating your account, and starting an online class. The good thing about Skillshare is that it's a passive income. Once you record your classes and post them, then continue making money infinitely. Number 8 is TechLessons.com. TechLessons is a website where you teach skills, any skill that you may have, just like Skillshare. They may be teach a language, how to cook, lessons on how to play a musical instrument, how to solve a complex math calculations, and many more. Anything you think someone else may not know, you can teach people on Tech Lessons and start making money. Another site is Fiverr. Fiverr is a simple and easy site to start making money. It's a freelance website just like Upwork, where you can literally outsource anything as long as it's legal, for as little as $5. There are so many ways to make money on Fiverr. Some of them are animations, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirt and merchandising, SEO, and many more. If there is anything that can be outsourced, likely find it on Fiverr. It is a legit way of making money. Number 10 on our list is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you are selling someone else's stuff or item for a small or large profit without having to deal with the shipping. So basically, you are acting like a broker or a middleman. You can do this by opening up a Shopify store and then linking it up with Obalo. Obalo is an app that integrates with Shopify, and it is what a lot of people use to source for stuff that they would like to sell on their stores. The basic principle of drop shipping is creating a store or any channel where people can buy your stuff, let's say a website or an app or something like that. Then once they buy something from you, you pay for the manufacturer, usually for a lot less than what you got it for, and then have the manufacturer ship it to the customer, all without you ever seeing or touching the product. The best part of drop shipping is that you set your own price of the product you want to sell, then take the profits and pay the manufacturer the rest. All you need to know is how to create your store, finding products, advertising, finding influencers, shipping, and getting paid. It's a bit complicated to start, especially in the beginning, but you can make a ton of money with drop shipping. Now, for the bonus part on how personally I make money online, I'll start with books. I sell books from other authors as an affiliate. If you head over to my website, that is tebemoris.com, you see a link to books from #strongman. Books like Live Intentionally and The Art of Twitter. When you buy these books, I get a commission at no extra cost to you. You can also make money with Facebook. Create a Facebook page and post great content there. Facebook has millions of users per hour. All of those are your potential audience. You can create good videos about anything and post them there. Create a huge following and then apply for page monetization and you get an income. There are many ways to make money online, and these are just a few of them. Create a digital product that will solve a problem. Sell it on Gumroad or Amazon. The sales are infinite. Create a website and create content. Monetize it with Google AdSense and boom, you have a source of income. Content is king if you want to make it in the blogging industry. This is one of the reasons why we started our website, tembemoris.com. Check it out, the link is in the description. The good thing about online businesses is you can work with clients from different countries while at the comfort of your home. There are a ton of opportunities on the internet to make money, especially for people in third world countries. Making money in first world currency and spending it in third world currency is sweet. If you learned something from this video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe. If there is something else you would like us to review in our next video, let us know in the comment section below. See you next time. Cheers.